When I first tested the Volkswagen Touareg way back in 2003, I actually tested the power of its awesome 5-litre V10 diesel, which at the time was one of the world's most powerful engines, by just dragging lots of heavy stuff around.
Like an enormous telegraph pole, a people carrier trying to drive the other way, and a 7-ton combine harvester. That mega engine, with its whopping 750 newton-meters of torque, pulls all of those things. A 155-ton Boeing 747.
It's got a 200-foot wingspan.
I sized up the enormity of what we were intending to do. Pull a jumbo jet with a family 4x4.
I'm not sure it's going to do it, you know.
Of ballast.
That's the equivalent of 3 small family cars. And this is a totally standard production vehicle. The only thing we've had to do is double the tyre pressure to cope with the extra weight. Although Michelin have warned us, if we go over 20 miles an hour, they may explode. This really is testing to the extreme.
I've been told to put it into drive and we're in low ratio. So you you multiply your tractive force because you've got a low ratio gearbox, and then very, very gently on the throttle to about 2,000 RPM. 1,000, nothing. Got a bit of movement. That's it, we're off. About 1,600 RPM. And I'm pulling a 747 with a Touareg. Oh my God, the view through the wing mirrors. If you've ever been tailgated on the motorway, well, you've got nothing on me. Well, this feels quite odd. Just got to be really gentle with the throttle, but it's not bogging down or doing anything weird. It's just pulling it. That's 155 ton on the back of this. And you're kind of aware of it, but oh God, look in the rear view. That's so odd. We're doing 5 kilometers an hour, which is as fast as I'm gonna go. That's awesome. 155 ton in a Touareg, a new world record. Right, I've backed off a bit now. Just going to let it roll to a stop. We can't put the brakes on because apparently it burned the discs off the car, so we just have to let it go down. Very last minute, we just apply some brakes. There you go. A little bit of a thump there, and we've stopped.